Find the pattern in the info box below, print it out, and cut out these pieces. Cut out different parts. First I have the main part for the outside, one big round circle. Then I have two of these inside small ones and one of the bigger one in black. And I'm going to put this to the side and sew these two together here and these two together here. And after doing the 3 stitches over, I'm just making a few knots here. So now that thread is all fine and secure, and then I'm just going to sew the pieces together. And I don't know what this stitch is called, so I'm just going through the fabric, putting the thread over and pull it through. I have sewed the 2 seams right here, so this is my bad side and this is my good side. So I'm going to take this other piece and I have the good side up. And first of all, I'm going to find the mid point. That's right here. So that's the middle of the big one. Then I'm going to take this one. And first of all, I'm going to place it so it's lined over here. Like that, and I'm seeing for the middle of this part, that's about here, so I'm going to pin the middle down to the middle here. There we go. And then I'm just going to pin down this part as well. So I'm going to place it, if I can get this to, there we go. So I'm going to place this with some small, what you call that, folds in the outer fabric. And this is a very thin and slippery fabric, so I'm just going to take my time and work with this. So that was one fold, and another, and I'm folding it like an S, and with the extra piece inward to the middle. And I'm gonna do the same over here, just making the folds in the opposite direction. Like that, so that I have 3 fold here, turning inside that way, and 3 fold. And I'm gonna stitch all the way around here from this end up here around the neck and down here, and I'm going to do that in a back stitch. And I sewed it up all the way around to the black edge here, and I'm going to turn this inside out. First of all, I'm going to take this edge right here, and I make sure that the white is a little more over the edge than the black is. I'm just gonna put a pin in here, and I'm gonna do it all the way down at the bottom of the white part here as well. or what color it has for you. And I'm gonna do that all the way around here, making sure that I have a little more white out than the black. And I'm going to start on this corner. And I'm going to make my usual over stitch a few times. So I turn it around so I have the good side out. And I'm going to make a back stitch here from the good side, and I'm doing it as close to the edge as possible. And all the way around the edge here. So I made a back stitch all the way around here. So I have this nice line now. Then I have this tiny lace that I like, so I'm going to use that one. So I want that all around at the bottom here, but also I want to get the end here of the fabric all the way up, or the fabric ends turned a bit up here. So I'm going to place the lace on the fabric on the good side, and then turn a tiny bit of the fabric up on the bad side. Like that, and I'm gonna do that all the way around here. And now I'm just sewing a back stitch all the way around to keep the fabric and the little lace in place. I sewed in these two parts, and I sewed them on the good side so they look like a little jewelry. And now you just put them together around the neck of your doll, and that's all there is to this little craft. So this one is just to keep it in the right size around the doll to make it lie even better around it. So that needs to be there. Anyway, that's all there is to this. I hope you liked it, and happy crafting.